If you want to reach customers instantly and boost sales, setting up SMS marketing on your Shopify store is a highly effective strategy. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Apps, then opening the Shopify App Store. Search for a reliable SMS marketing app such as Klaviyo, PostScript, or SMS Bump, and install it. Once installed, open the app and connect it to your Shopify store following the setup prompts. Create a subscriber list to collect customers' phone numbers, either during checkout or through a sign-up form. Next, create an SMS campaign or automation, such as a welcome message, promotional offer, or abandoned cart reminder. Customize the message content, sender name, and scheduling, then save and activate the campaign. Finally, test the SMS to ensure it's working properly before sending it to your full list. After saving, your SMS marketing is live and ready to engage customers directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.